So hello, we will continue with our first order step response with the RL circuit. Okay. Okay, so we have here step response of an RL circuit. We're going to solve this using two methods. One is using KVL and the other one is using the complete response method. Okay, so first, try this one. And then okay, using KVL, method one. Okay, KVL, let's follow the inductor current, which is counterclockwise. We have IL. Okay, KVL, method one. Loop one, negative VS plus RIL. Okay, it's IL because it's in series plus VL 420. So with this calculation class, we're going to solve for the inductor current because the inductor current is continuous for this kind of circuit. So si VL, ato siya i-transform into current, which is, what is it? VL is equal to L di dt. And si VS, ato siya i-balhin to, we get RIL plus L di L dt is equal to Vs. Okay, so we have first order differential equation. We will be rearranging them divided by 1 over L and DIL dt. Siya ibalin sa kilid. So DIL dt plus R over L IL is equal to Vs over L. Now, we are going to use variable separable. Okay. DIL dt is equal to negative RIL minus PS over Okay, so para ma-variable separable na to siya, tanang IL ato siya i-combine in other side and katong sa DT na part, katong walay IL. Okay? So, we need to actually remove R diri ano. So, how do we remove R? By dividing it. Wait lang. So, DIL um, over RIL minus PS is equal to negative DT over L. You see, R ato na siya i-remove. Pagawas na po ni siya. VIL over RIL minus PS over R. Wait lang. So that one, negative DT over L. So CR ato siya i-cross multiply that to. DIL over IL minus BS over R is equal to negative R over L dt. So, karon na-separate na nato mga variables, we will integrate. Okay, integrate. This one with assumption na nag-start siya at 0, 0 to t, and this one with assumption that I started at 0 and of t. So, with that, we will have ln of IL minus BS over R integrated from I 0 to I of T is equal to negative R over L T 0 to T. So with that, we will get the evaluated values are I of T minus PS over R minus ln of I of 0 minus Vs over R is equal to negative R over L T. Okay, so kani siyang sa taas ato siya combine, this becomes ln I of T minus Vs over R divided by I of 0 minus Vs over R. It's equal to negative R over L T. So na siya exponential. Cancel out ang ln. I of T minus Vs over R over I of 0 minus Vs over R is equal to e to the negative R L. Okay, to resume the calculation, I of T minus Vs over R is equal to e to the negative R over L T lang. I0 minus Vs over R. We will rearrange that one. I of T is equal to, bali nato si Vs over R. Vs over R plus I at 0 minus Vs over R e to the negative R over L. So this one has the same form sa to ang complete response, which is I at T is equal to Vs over R, that's your I infinity. Diba, voltage over resistance is your current. So this one is your inductor current plus initial value of your current minus I at infinity e to the negative R over L T, where tau is equal to L over R. Meaning, you get I of T, I infinity plus IO minus I infinity e to the negative T over You can also get these values, method 2, using I of t is equal to I transient response plus I steady state. Okay. I of t, I of t is equal to e to the negative p over tau. Okay, p over tau or I of t is equal to e to the negative r over l. Ay, ano, sakto lagi. I of t, this one is I transient. Okay, I of t plus ISF. So this is how we do it. And then what we're going to do is we will substitute the value of t to the time frame where we know a value of. So kung maingon kag natin ibalaan na value, unsa ka to? Usually, during such switching, which is, for example, at time 0, you get a current of 10 amps. Okay. So, nga na siya. So, I of t, meaning at I at 0, you get a value of I at 0 is a e to the negative r over l 0. Okay. So, wala pa taning ISS. So, I as ISS to n. So, this is your complete response. I at 0 is equal to a e to the negative r over l at 0 plus ISS. But we know this one is equal to e to the 0 is 1, where e to the 0 is equal to 1. So I at 0 is equal to a plus ISS. So, unsa man ang value ni a? Wala man takabalo sa value ni a. Siya balhin. A is equal to I0 minus ISS. So, we can see what is this. This is the transient response, no? You can see transient response. This is complete response. Complete response. I of t is equal to ISS steady state plus I of IO or I at 0 minus ISS e to the negative r over LP. Okay, this is the steady state. This one is the transient response. So, tura ni siya, kani si A ato ni siya i-substitute dira. We get I of t from here, from this one. Ito ra siya kumpiyahan. I of t is equal to A. What's the value of A? I of 0 minus ISS e to the negative r over LT plus ISS. How do we know the value of ISS? Okay, this one is easy. Inductor becomes shorted. So you can get the value of its current based on the circuit. The value that is flowing through the short circuit is the value of your ISS.